As it would turn out, plants are really intelligent and can communicate complex information, as well as have the power of sight and hearing, as we would think of with animals, but with a different mechanism. While they lack a nervous system like we do, they still have methods of memory. They react differently to predation after the first time, and that depends on the type of predator. They can also communicate that information to other plants, not just their own species, but other species. And yeah, they communicate not just with volatile organic compounds, which we might think of as smell, but they also emit ultrasonic sounds that can communicate conditions. They can tell the difference between, say, human speech, rain, or bugs munching on their leaves. Yeah, plants can hear you talk. In the case of goldenrod, they can behave altruistically. They can also determine how many other plants are around them based on the red light being reflected off other plants' leaves. If the plants are densely populated, then they can hunker down and tell the other plants that they're being attacked. The other plants will not hunker down as well. They'll allow some of the herbivores to come over and start eating them too, ensuring that the population can remain, and spreading around some of that damage. If they're not densely populated, then all the plants will hunker down, release volatile organic compounds, and pull nutrients away from their leaves, suggesting to herbivores that they're not a very good prey. Although these mechanisms differ than what we think in animals, they do indicate a certain amount of intelligence, just a different kind of intelligence than we think of in us. The question of the capacity to suffer is unfathomable because we can't imagine what it would be like to be a plant. We can only have our view of our bodies. What do you think?